Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Muscletech Platinum Multivitamin. To begin, it's important to take 3 tablets each day. For optimal absorption and to avoid stomach upset, always consume your multivitamin with a meal. Remember, sticking to the recommended dosage is key for both safety and effectiveness, so please do not exceed it. For maximum benefit, consider spreading your 3 tablets throughout the day. A good strategy is to take 1 tablet with breakfast, 1 with lunch, and 1 with dinner. This helps maintain a steady supply of nutrients. Remember, consistency is crucial. Taking your multivitamin daily ensures your body receives the support it needs over time. Muscletech Platinum Multivitamin is designed for a wide range of individuals. It's especially beneficial for athletes and active people who have higher nutritional demands. Additionally, anyone looking to fill potential dietary gaps or simply support their general health and wellness can find value in this supplement. It's a great way to ensure comprehensive nutrient intake. Always store your Muscletech Platinum Multivitamin in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. It's also very important to keep this, and all supplements, out of the reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any medical conditions, please consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.